The improved electoral system in China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region will prove to be a step in the right direction, a former Pakistani ambassador to China said, as the region has successfully held its first legislative election under it. 90 elected lawmakers, standing out from a total of 153 candidates from different backgrounds and across the political spectrum, will sit on the 7th-term Legislative Council of the Hong Kong SAR.
I have absolutely no doubt that these would definitely prove to be a step in the right direction. It has become more representative, it has become more balanced, and it has become more democratic, because the voice of different factions of Hong Kong will be very strongly and very appropriately represented in the Legislative Council.
A series of improvements have been made to the electoral system to better implement the principle of patriots administering Hong Kong. The ambassador said she was very happy to see peace return after chaos plagued Hong Kong SAR.
I saw what happened in the summer of 2020 and also before that in 2019. And it's very heartbreaking to see such a peaceful part of China being in chaos. So I'm very happy to see that peace has prevailed in Hong Kong, and the sobriety and the sagacity and the leadership of the mainland has finally reached the people of Hong Kong. I think they will provide long-term peace and stability, because if there's peace and stability, then only can you concentrate on what you're doing. When the people have that peace of mind,